Hello, I'm James Bennett and I'm the choreographer of The Wizard of Oz. I'm so excited. I think this is a really cool, unique job that you don't get jobs like this. Already I've been here a week and it feels so special and it feels like it's a group of friends creating together as opposed to we're this, we're that, and separate people coming together. It feels really communal and beautiful. So yeah, very, very happy so far. Ooh, that's hard because we're kind of just starting it. But I will say the way that Richard, I and David are working together already in the week that we've had, we are trying to create a kind of fresh perspective on The Wizard of Oz. Keep all the beautiful, brilliant story and everything that comes with The Wizard of Oz and Dorothy and all of that storytelling, but maybe sharpen it up and tighten it up and give it a good direction and fresh choreo and lots of fresh brilliant music and stuff. So I think actually our inspiration together as a group, that's what's inspiring me so far. I know that I'm going to love choreographing the jitterbug because obviously it's just going to be so brilliant and so much fun. But we have started working on Merry Old Land of Oz as well. And that for me is turning into something that I didn't think it could be. And it's weird and it's wacky and it's wonderful and it has elements of Wicked. And, I think a lot of the way that I kind of think about stuff is filmic, not necessarily for theatre. So I want it to feel like you're just walking straight into the land of Oz. And that one's really exciting for me as well. Do you know, for me, I love obviously working with incredible dancers because they can do anything that I want them to do, which is amazing. But I love working with actors. I love working with actors that would say that they're not necessarily a mover because they will bring something that's real, which is amazing. And I love that because then it's storytelling. So rather than everything be, I really hate just dance for dance sake. It doesn't make sense to me. There's a dance in a piece because it's there for a reason. It's got to mean something. It's that you're really excited about something, or it's a celebration, or it's a bunch of people coming together in anger or whatever that might be. But it can't just be dance. It doesn't make any sense. So working with people that aren't necessarily dancers bring inspiration to me, which is really cool. Do you know, for me, I feel like there isn't one thing. I love this. This is why I'm a choreographer now, because I love the rehearsal period. It's my favourite part of the show, and as a performer, don't get me wrong, I loved performing. But then you're in that show for a contract, for a year contract, probably. Whereas now I get to work on something, create it, and then move on and do that all over again. But in that creation process, towards the end of it, we move into the theatre and we move into teching, and all of a sudden, everything that you've been working on in a white rehearsal studio has colour, and it all comes to life, and the lighting comes on, and the costume design comes, and everything comes together, and that for me is really exciting. Once we see it on those colourful sets on stage, that's going to be my favourite part. Heart. I think it's just got so much heart and soul, and it's a show for all ages. Your kids are going to come and love it. Adults are going to love that iconic heart that it has running through the entire story. It's like a fable. It's teaching us stuff that we already know. And in the middle of that, it's got weird and wacky and brilliant characters and dance and song. But the main thing, it comes back to heart.